Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the clutch on a Ford Ranger. It's important to understand that Ford Ranger clutches are designed to be self-adjusting. This means there isn't a manual adjustment point like on older vehicles. If you're experiencing issues such as a spongy pedal or a slipping clutch, it indicates a problem beyond simple adjustment. We'll explore common causes and solutions for these symptoms. When your Ford Ranger clutch isn't performing correctly, start by checking the hydraulic system. Low fluid in the master cylinder can cause a soft pedal. Next, look for any visible leaks along the clutch line, slave cylinder, or master cylinder itself. If the hydraulics are sound, then the issue likely points to mechanical wear within the clutch assembly, such as a worn clutch disc or pressure plate. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: after a long day working on your Ranger, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your lunch fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For hydraulic problems, bleeding the clutch system is often the first step to remove trapped air, restoring pedal feel. If components are leaking, replacing the master or slave cylinder is necessary. For mechanical wear, a full clutch kit replacement, including the disc, pressure plate, and throw-out bearing, is the most effective solution. This ensures reliable clutch operation for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.